Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing an HDCP error, it means your device can't establish a secure connection with your TV or display. HDCP, which means high bandwidth digital content protection, is required to stream protected content, and if something breaks in the chain, playback stops. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix HDCP errors on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, HDCP errors are hardware related, not your account. It's common on smart TVs, Fire TV consoles, and HDMI setups. It's usually caused by cables, ports, or compatibility. So focus on HDMI connection plus compatibility. Okay, so make sure the HDMI cable is firmly connected and try different HDMI cable. Prefer high speed or 4K certified, because damaged or low quality cables means HDCP failure. Okay, plug directly into the TV. For example, remove HDMI splitters like hubs or adapters. Connect your device directly to the TV. Middle devices often break HDCP handshake. Okay, so restart all devices. Okay, turn off your TV and plug your streaming device. Wait 30 to 60 seconds and plug everything back in and starts. Okay, so resets HDCP handshake with that. You can try another HDMI ports, like switch to a different HDMI ports on your TV. Some ports handle HDCP better than others. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.